Are you a small-time content creator trying your very best to monetize your YouTube channel? If the answer is yes, I totally understand the struggle that you're going through right now. 1 year ago, I started this YouTube channel to document my personal finance journey, and I put in hours of hard, painstaking work every single week outside of my full-time job in order to get this channel monetized. Fast forward to today, I finally got my channel monetized after 1 year of painstakingly hard work. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how much YouTube has paid me in my first month of monetization and how you can achieve this too. So this is how the entire YouTube journey started for me. It might seem like I had everything going smoothly for me, but I can assure you that it was not the case. I started my YouTube channel last year in April because I was very burnt out from my job. I'll be super honest with that. It was not out of creativity, something really fun and exciting that I wanted to pursue, but it was out of desperation and anxiety. I just wanted a place that I could have a creative outlet and perhaps use this way in order to generate some income so that I wouldn't be fully reliant on my job income and not want to hate my job too much in that sense. I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate, and you probably started your channel as well to find a way to replace your jobs. So I started getting into the habit of posting YouTube shorts, and I attempted to post 3 times a week. That was how I started off in my YouTube channel. I managed to do it for a couple of weeks, but nothing really took off for me. In fact, I think they only got less than 100 views, less than 200 views, nothing too crazy, so the YouTube channel wasn't growing at all. The growth was super slow and there was hardly any subscribers for my channel at all. I then changed my strategy and I started to post long form videos consistently last year from September onwards. So you can see from here that it took me 8 months for me to hit my first 100 subscribers. It was by no means easy at all. You can actually even see I hit 100 subscribers here. This is the screenshot, but in fact, as of this video right now, I do not even have a single viral video on my channel itself. So this is as average of a channel as you can get, because a lot of other YouTube channels that you see, easily they can just upload a single video and they can hit 100k, 200k, maybe even 50k views, which is sort of a viral hit for them, and the channel just grows very easily. One viral hit will actually push your channel to about 1,000 or more subscribers, which is very easy for some of these people, but it has not been easy for me. My most viewed video is only 10k views, and that video has been on my channel for a long time. All the other videos that I posted so far, they are doing better than before, but I don't have any viral videos on my channel itself. So even though growth was really slow, but I did not give up and I continued to be consistent and continue posting 1 video every single week. I was also quite lucky because some of the videos that I was posting did really well, and I even got the chance to collaborate on a few videos with another personal finance YouTuber called Demi. So it was thanks to her that some of my videos did better than average, and it pushed out my videos to a bigger audience, most of the time her audience in that sense. So we were able to cross-pollinate our audiences, and her audience got to know me, and I think a lot of people also got to know my channel because of her channel itself. My channel only managed to hit the 1,000 subscriber mark in June of this year, or after almost 10 months of consistently posting videos every single week. Oh, did I also forget to mention, I was also paying for editing this entire time. I was spending money every single week to kickstart this channel. So not only am I not earning a single penny from making YouTube videos, I was spending money on my YouTube channel itself on top of the time taken to make these videos. Actually, technically, I will forget these milestones in the future, but I wanted to screenshot all these milestones as I hit them because I think it's really important to look back and see how much progress that we have actually come by. I don't want to put the subscriber mark as a really firm goal because it's out of my control. Whether people want to follow me or not, it's not something that I can control, but what I can control is to consistently show up, consistently provide value to people, and hopefully people can find some sort of use from my videos. Maybe it helps them, maybe it entertains them, or maybe it inspires them. Any one of the 3, I'm really happy with them. But trust me when I say that I know exactly how daunting it is for you guys who are just starting out, because that growth is going to be so slow that you want to give up constantly because you're only fixated on the numbers. I finally hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, but I was still far off with the 4,000 hours of watch time in terms of getting my whole channel monetized. So this was when I started my YouTube monetization challenge in June of this year, where I would post 2 videos every single week. So I had the boost of motivation from getting that 1,000 subscriber mark, so I was using it very firmly and strongly in order to start this YouTube monetization journey and really start to document my journey to show you guys and myself how I can monetize my channel itself. So to my surprise, I was actually able to consistently pump out 2 YouTube videos every single week for 2 months, and they did pretty well in terms of gathering more subscribers and watch hours, and I finally monetized my YouTube channel as of late July. Even now, I just screenshotted it as well. I just passed my first 1,500 subscribers, which was another big milestone for me as well. It took me 8 months to get 100 subscribers, and then now it's only taken about 2 to 3 months to get from 1,000 to 1,500 subscribers, which just shows that the growth is actually exponential in that sense. I would think the next 500 and next 1,000 subscribers maybe might just take a little bit shorter as well. But of course, I'm sure the reason you guys clicked on this video was to find out how much YouTube paid me in my first month. So when you finally hit the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you apply to be part of the YouTube Partner Program, where you will receive this email right here. So this was definitely one of the happiest and triumphant moments of my YouTube journey when this happens for you as well. You dream about all the wildest things that you can now happen as you earn thousands of dollars just by posting videos. So this was the first day of YouTube monetization, and I will never forget this day. I earned a whopping $3.91. Nothing too crazy. You can't even buy a proper meal with this money in Singapore, but it was the first money that I ever earned from YouTube, so nothing could describe this feeling. It was the longest time that I ever done anything without a monetary return. Just imagine this right now. Putting in hours of time and money into your YouTube channel only to start earning money 1 year later. How would you feel if I hired you today and I asked you to do work for me for the entire year? I'm not going to pay you a single cent for the entire year, but I'll only start paying you money next year in that sense. How would you feel? This is the amount of fortitude and patience that you need to have in order to prepare yourself, because even I think that my YouTube monetization journey also was pretty fast compared to other people. On average, there's always people faster than me, but on average, I think this is actually pretty fast. To get monetized in less than a year, I think it's actually pretty okay. But this is what you need to be prepared for on this journey itself, that you need to know that this is going to take quite a while. More importantly is you need to focus on how you can give value and how you can focus on packaging your video so that people want to click on it, people are interested on the topics that you are talking about as well. So for this whole month of July, I earned a total of $11.20 from YouTube AdSense. Because I got monetized at the end of July, I only had around 1 week of the YouTube monetization that really came in. I was only paid for that last 1 week itself. I slowed down my uploads in August as well, as I wanted to take a breather from the YouTube monetization journey. It was quite shag just to consistently post that 2 videos a week. I think I really stretched myself quite a bit. Every other free time that I had, every minute, every hour, I would actually dedicate to YouTube. Every time, other than family, other than working and all those kind of things, I'm always putting in all the time that I can into YouTube and making sure that I'm posting these 2 YouTube videos every single week. So I went back to posting 1 video per week, and I focused on trying to improve different aspects of my videos. So for the month of August, I earned a total of $34.15 from YouTube AdSense, with my highest day of earnings being $5.42. But totaling everything up, as of the making of this video itself, we are currently mid-month of September, and I've earned a total of $84.13 since I got monetized in late July. These were some of the lessons learned throughout this journey that might just help you guys out as you are all working towards your monetization journey as well. Lesson number 1 is to be consistent and to just get into the habit of posting videos. So I'm sure that you guys have seen all the YouTube videos on the YouTube channels, and they see them with thousands of views, the really nice editing, very nice studio and all those kind of things, and you start to think to yourself, how can I possibly compete with them? And let your overthinking, your overanalyzing, and your perfectionism sort of stand in the way of you getting started. So don't care about all those things. Don't let nonsense like trying to be perfect, overthinking, and picking your niche be excuses to start your YouTube channel. Just start posting videos about what you currently know or what you are interested and passionate in. No matter who you are and what stage of life you are at, you will definitely have these 2 areas that you have readily available for you to draw inspiration in order to make videos. Don't let the money cloud your judgment, and just record yourself talking about things that excite you and light a fire in your eyes. Very simple. You can just take out your iPhones, buy a cheap tripod stand on Amazon, Lazada, anything like that, set it up, have a backdrop like this is just my cupboard, nothing too fancy. Get something simple, have a topic in mind, just start talking, practice, you'll get better and better as you make more videos. This will come naturally. You're not going to be the same as those YouTubers, but you'll never get there if you don't start practicing one day. Lesson number 2 is also to find the bottleneck. In terms of creating a YouTube video, there are actually a lot of things to do, from idea generation, scripting, filming, editing, and post-production. You need to identify the bottleneck in what's stopping you from posting. So for me, it was always the editing part, and I will always freak out and get overly concerned about how I could edit in the most perfect way possible. This was when I met my editor Hasbi, and I outsourced editing to him, and since then we were able to pump out videos consistently almost every single week for 1 entire year. So definitely find where your weak point is and where the bottleneck is, and if you can solve that immediately, you're going to really kickstart your posting consistently schedule very easily and really remove that bottleneck so easily in that sense. Lesson number 3 will also be to be patient and enjoy the journey. This is going to be a very long journey of doing YouTube, and you should do things that really excite you. I say this both as a word of advice to you guys and also as a reminder for myself to enjoy the journey. We can sometimes get into this mindset of trying to over-optimize to get the best results, but we often forget that the best results often come from us enjoying the process. What's the point of earning thousands of dollars if you hate doing this? Wouldn't that just be another pointless job that you are creating for yourself? This is actually even worse because you're taking time outside of your full-time job in order to create another pointless job that you actually hate. You are doing things just for the sake of money and you are not even enjoying the content or the topics itself. Then ask yourself this, what about the sustainability? How long can you do this before you burn yourself out and you just want to stop doing it? Isn't it pointless just to earn a few $1,000s in the meantime right now, and then you just quit this entire thing and you forsake that hundreds of thousands of dollars or even more that you can earn in the long run if you just stick to something that you really love and you really enjoy? So don't be so foolish and sacrifice your own interest and happiness just for money itself. Make the goal something that you can control, like showing up and being consistent with your video uploading and trying to do video topics that you can personally enjoy. If you're like me and you don't really know what you enjoy too much, then maybe use your YouTube channel as a playground to experiment and try things out and find out what you really enjoy talking about and enjoy doing in your life itself. Hopefully my whole journey and these lessons will help you guys on your YouTube monetization journey and inspire you guys to continue striving for your own happiness. So let me know how your journey is in the comments down below, and I really look forward to hearing from you guys. If you enjoyed this video here, then you'll probably enjoy this video here on how I got monetized on YouTube in 60 days. Thanks for watching, have an amazing day as usual, and I'll see you guys in the next few videos. Bye bye.